to make that safe, then the BAB others still we have not evaluated.
Yes, but
provide in the common, yes, perfect.
Okay.
But if you are trying to modify on the existing
individual, we will modify only on ASAP.
Yeah.
But the others, I have no issue.
That need to be properly ensured.
Yes.
يعني عايز تخش كلها موجوده ايه؟ ايوه في جزء رقم اتش مش اصلا في بس الاوبشنز كلها نقدر نرسمها مع شيء انت شايف انا اللي شايف ده في كانت التشارك هو انا مش شايف والله
But here
are the options that we already discussed, these options, and we have already BAB regarding that two lines from BAB. Yes, so the two, and these are one from Nepal DPN, and the other one from BAB. And we proposed that one, and then after that we agreed about modifying the operation or the traversal point here for that BFN, and accordingly no issue here.
do we have hips there? Properly?
Yes, this is a proposed one. This is our proposal. This was our proposal. Okay, and we have other options, other alternatives. مش عايز امشي كده وراهم واحد واقول لهم على الاربعه بسرعه. This was the second one.
Second one is
at the end of MOL 3.3 to protect at the set point, and accordingly to direct it to the existing tanks. This proposal wasn't the one which have votes, so we can exclude this. We have already discussed the four options. مش عايز اروح بالتاني بعد اذنك. And the other one to modify the set point, the design pressure of MOL 3.3 and to increase its design pressure. Of course, this is not the proper one, but anyway, it has to be highlighted. And the fourth, it was stopping ASAP in case of operating only one of them. And this is, of course, wasn't the proper one as well, because this is refused by the operation team. Although the capacity was reduced already. These are the new capacities based on our calculation.
ASAB and NAB both to be tripped in that case, not only ASAB and NAB.
Yes, but the high pressure trip at depth is 80. And we have a difference in elevation. I believe 70 meters when
you say high pressure trip, what type of trip?